Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how you can get your ex back in your life, or your lover back, or your girlfriend back in your life by following these steps, and that person would not leave you again whole the life. And this love spell is very powerful, accurate and instant giving result. If you will follow these all the steps accurately that I'm telling you, then 100% your work would be done and your lover will mad for you. First of all, you should be 18 plus. Your age should be more than 18 plus. The another thing, you have to do this love spell at 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. This is the timing for this love spell. Third, the day. Which day you can do this love spell? On Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. You can do this love spell on Monday, Wednesday or Saturday. If you would do this love spell on Tuesday or Friday, then it will not work for you. Another thing, you should know the name of lover and his or her age as well. These things you require for this love spell: name and age. And while doing this love spell, you have to chant this spell, these words: Abu Wadu Wadu Abu Vilam. So these are the words, and now I am going to tell the technique how you have to do. First of all, your age should be 18 plus. You have to follow this step. Your age should be for 18 plus. Your time of this love spell is 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. The days Monday, Wednesday and Saturday, when you following this all the criterias. After that, you have to know the name of this lover, your lover, and the age. Abu Wadu Abu Vilam. This is the word that you have to say while doing this love spell. You have to, first of all, you have to start it on this time. This day should be this, and you have to write here your, first of all you have to write your name. For example, your name is Rohit, and you have to write your age. These names and the age is for example. And then you have to write Abu Wadu Abu Vilam. You have to write these words, and these arrows are very important. Every alphabet you have to make this arrow to these words. These words are very important. And then you have to write your lover's name. For example, her name is Sarita and her age is 32. You have to follow these steps and write these as this, and after this you have to use this paper you have to keep this paper under your pillow, and you would see that your lover is trying to contact you. If you are facing any kind of problem while doing this love spell, you can call us on this number. You can call us on this number that is showing the top of the screen, or this number you can make the call. This is the number of master who made this kind of love spells to solve your love problem. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon. Bye bye.